Today I'm going to teach you how to redeem Amazon Rewards points. This is a great way to save money on your purchases by using the points you've accumulated through Amazon's rewards program. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your cart and payment options. After logging in, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Cart. If you already know what you want to purchase, you can also use the search bar at the top to browse for your desired product first. Either way works perfectly fine depending on whether you already have items waiting or need to add something new. Now, if you have multiple items sitting in your cart, take a moment to review them. You might have things you added earlier that you're not ready to purchase yet. Simply uncheck the boxes next to any items you don't want to check out at this time. This way, you're only proceeding with the products you actually want to buy right now. Once you've made sure you're only checking out the items you want, look over to the right panel and click on Proceed to Checkout. This will take you to the checkout page where you'll finalize your purchase details. You should see several sections appear, including shipping and payment information. On the checkout page, locate the Payment Methods section. This is where you'll find all your payment options and where the magic happens with your rewards points. Look for the line that shows your available Amazon points. This line will display your current points balance so you know exactly how many points you have to work with. Click on that line showing your available Amazon points. Once you do, a field will appear where you can enter the number of points you want to redeem. Type in the amount you'd like to use toward this purchase. You can use all your points or just a portion of them. It's completely up to you. After entering the number of points, click Apply. You should see a confirmation message appear right next to the field, letting you know your points have been successfully applied to this order. This confirmation ensures that everything went through correctly. Now look over to the right side of the page at your order summary. Here you can verify that your points have been deducted from the total amount. The order summary will break down exactly how much you're saving with your rewards points, showing the adjusted total after the points are applied. Finally, when you're satisfied with everything and you've confirmed your points are applied, click Place Your Order to complete the purchase. Your order will now be processed with your Amazon Rewards points applied, saving you money on this transaction. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Amazon Rewards points on your purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.